Hello friends, I hope you all are keeping well. So today in this video I would like to bring in front of you the facts which is related to the Devil's Bridge which is in Germany. So let's begin. Devil's Bridge, also known as the Bridge on the Monach, is a village and a community in Ceredigion, which is in Wales. Above the river Monach, on the edge of the village, is the unusual road bridge, from which the village gets its English name. The village is best known for the bridge that spans the Effron Monach, a tributary of the Reidol. The bridge is unique in that three separate bridges are coexistent, each one built upon the previous bridge. The previous structures were not demolished. The most recently built in 1901 is an iron bridge which was erected above the older arches. The original bridge is medieval and the second one a stone structure built in 1753 and upgraded in 1777 and in 1814 was erected when the original bridge was thought to be unstable. The builders of the 1753 structure used the original bridge to support scaffolding during construction and added a second arc. The structure, which was eliminated in 1901, was in the slope of a roadway. In 1971, the steelwork and railings were repaired and the bridge was strengthened. The structure was Grade 2, listed on 21st January 1964 as a remarkable succession of the three superimposed bridges, one of the best known picturesque sites in Wales, and the listing was updated in 2005. The Devil's Bridge was built by Frederick Hermann Rodsky, who was a knight from a place called Cromlau. The man was a nature lover who wanted to share his passion by building a bridge that defied its very laws. Devil's Bridge is the largest natural sandstone arc. From the trailhead elevation of 4,600 feet, there is a mere 400-foot climb in altitude during its moderately difficult 1.8-mile round-trip trek. This Devil's Bridge has its official name in Germany as Rakotsbruck. It's unclear where this specific name has come from, as Brusk refer to bridge, but Rakots has no specific translation. But one of the reasons why this bridge has gained sufficient followers is that it forms a perfect circle with its reflection in water. It is a beautiful work of art, but it is made even more impressive due to its age. According to some legends, the original bridge was built after an old woman lost her cow and saw it grazing on the other side of the river. The devil appeared and agreed to build a bridge in return for the soul of the first living thing to cross it. When the bridge was finished, the old woman threw the crust of bread over the river, which her dog crossed the bridge to retrieve, thus becoming the first living thing to cross it. the devil was left with only the soul of the dog. So guys, I hope you found this video informative. If you like this video, then please give a comment and share it as much as possible. Then please subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel including till now videos. So till then, stay safe, stay happy, and be aware.